Hel- Hello, I'm Peter Towers, Managing Director of Towers Business Development. Welcome to this update on business issues affecting small businesses and medium-sized enterprises. Early stage innovation company status has benefits for the company and also for investors. It's very difficult for young companies who have developed new ideas, new products and services to be able to raise funding to commercialize those services. In many cases, these companies have got no assets that they can offer banks as security. All that they're relying on is the intellectual property that they have created through their endeavors to develop a new product, process, or service. The federal government recognized this about 4 years ago when they created the special company status of early stage innovation company. To make this work, the government introduced two significant carrots for investors. The first one is that an investor in a company recognized as being an early stage innovation company will receive 20% of their investment, up to a maximum of $200,000 for a sophisticated investor and $10,000 for a retail investor. And that's a tax credit of the tax assessment owing by that investor. And secondly, if that original investor retains ownership of those shares for longer than 12 months and less than 10 years, then that investor will not pay any capital gains tax on those shares when they're sold. So they were the carrots that the government introduced. What's the company got to do? The company has to make sure it qualifies. And to qualify, it generally has to be under 3 years of age, although in some cases it could be aged up to 6 years. Its income in the previous 12 months has to be under $200,000, not including any grant funds from the Accelerating Commercialization Grant. And its expenditure has to be under $1 million. And then it has to pass one of two test series of questions that are in the legislation. We're going to analyze full details of how this very important company structure comes into being in a free webinar, which Towers Business Development is presenting on Thursday, the 15th of July at 12 noon AEST. If you're interested in finding out more details, why not join us? Please go to www.towersbusiness.com.au to register. And I look forward to talking to you then. Have a great day. Goodbye.